So you guys, it was a suit that was surgery, so I'm a brave boy now. Yay! And in my last review from this Doctor Who toy, got 2 interviews here with me from the same day as the Argos I got for a tenner. That's right, the 9th and 11th Sonic Screwdriver. That's right, you guys, Sonic Screwdriver. Ooh, I feel sickish there. Ooh. Yeah. So this interview is Doctor Who toy. And the 11th. And that's it. So the 9th, we're gonna start here. With the thickness toy, it's alright. Used from the 9th, it's a kind of a trick or treat, but the problem is this. I'm not quite happy with that, because on that I don't like, and once you go inside it's kind of crap. That's why somebody can swallow that for easy. Well, my interview will be good, because when I took a video here, Jake was kind of making me
Mine.
yeah.
Sorry.
Good, baby. But let's go now, because let's go into the 11th. That's right, the 11th. But our trailer is coming soon from the Doctor Who, when Jake is going to be using that. But I'm going to be the leader by using this. So, do you want me to show you the trailer? Jake, quick. I'm the Doctor.
I'm the 11th Doctor.
I am the newest Doctor of all. Well, that is it, you guys, for the interview for 11th and the 9th. And the trailer was there for you. I'm the leader, and Jake just said, oh, go away. Oh, that was thanks a lot, Jake, for the trailer. That was annoying. But once we get back to the trailer soon, we'll be awesome trailer ever. And be famous. That is it for my interview. Thank you for watching.